Okay, guys, what's up, guys? It's your boy Eman, and today I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial of how to get a lot of subscribers, And before we get straight into this whole entire video, you must click that like button, click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell. Okay, so how to get a lot of subscribers is what you have to do. Is the first step is you have to make good thumbnails. That's the first step. Because as you see, the people that made all these good thumbnails, you get more views and they start to subscribe to you. Yeah. And the second step is what to do is you have to comment on other people's videos. Because if you comment, you will also get a lot of views. That's how you get more views. And you also have to make lots and lots of vids. If you make lots and lots of vids, people will start trying to, you know, watch more of your video, which lead to more subscribers. Some people do clickbaiting also, but the only thing about it, clickbaiting can leave you with a lot of views, but it can also leave you with less subscribers. And you do not want that because I'm making a video with subscribers, not how to get a lot of views. So as you guys see, I made a good thumbnail on Try Not to Cry. Got 40 views. I mean, it's not a lot, but it'll go up once in a while. So yeah. So that's how you get a lot of subscribers. A lot of subscribers. So guys, don't forget to click that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe bell. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell. So guys, I will be putting my latest vid inside the description down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.